Welcome. My name is Merina Rael, and I am an artist. And I'd like to invite you into my studio and share with you some of my work. Here's my living room wall. And I have some digital art there too. And here we have some divine feminine portraits, photography and portraits. And here is my studio where I paint and create. And here are some of my bright ones in honor of the divine feminine. And this one is the most popular. I do sell prints of my original work. I do sell the originals. This is Mapa in Heart, healing the East and the West and the Mother and Father aspect. Here is my hallway, and I love to have art around me, and I love to share it. So thank you for coming and visiting me today. And this piece on the bottom here is a piece of wood I picked up on the beach and created a goddess out of it with a scarf and some paint. Works wonders. This is a piece on the top from Bali. I like to travel the world and go to sacred sites and create art. Here's another digital print. These are shrines for the Divine Feminine, the Divine Mother, from Greece. And that is a picture of me when I was younger. And of course, Frida Kahlo, one of my favorite artists. And here is some digital art created on the computer in Photoshop. Here is one of my divine feminine goddesses. I also create portraits of women. And here are my books, Journey of a Mystic Artist and Rael Studios. And here is a dresser that I created for fun. And here is one of my goddess portraits. And another divine feminine portrait. And this is my mermaid of Vancouver Island. She is very large on my fireplace. This is a spirit of Vancouver Island. This piece was from New Mexico. It is a cow skull. And here are my shrines for Gaia. I have many hundreds now. Here's another one. So it's a nature shrine for Gaia. There were mirrored photos, and they create a nice divine balance. This is one of my digital pieces for Gaia, and here are some of my interior designs of the art, of course. And I thank you for watching. Please share and like if you do, and pass it on.